Welcome back to SmartDollar, where we turn your financial stress into success. In today's video, we're tackling 10 major mistakes you're probably making with your money, and trust me, you're not alone. These money mistakes can be holding you back from achieving the life you truly deserve, and the best part? We're going to show you exactly how to fix them and set yourself on a path to financial freedom. Direct hit mistake #1. Maybe you're overspending on things that don't add real value to your life. Or you might be ignoring your credit score, letting your debt grow unchecked, or failing to invest early enough. But don't worry, we've got solutions for each one. Light bulb as we go through these mistakes. I'm going to share real, practical steps you can start taking right now to improve your financial habits. These fixes are simple, but they'll make a world of difference in your bank account and your peace of mind. I'll also share some personal stories from my own journey. So you'll see that we all make mistakes, but the important thing is to learn from them and take control. Rocket by the end of this video, you'll not only know what mistakes to avoid, but also how to turn your money habits around and make smarter financial choices that will set you up for long-term success. You don't have to settle for a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. Let's get into these 10 mistakes and fix them together, because your financial freedom starts right here, right now. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to click the bell so you never miss more actionable tips like this. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1 could be a game changer for you.